Well, here it is, guys. Finally the reveal from the 2025 U.S.A.C. group build. I'm pretty excited to see all of these, so I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time with this just sitting here, and let's get on to it. There she is. This is what I built. Shirley Shahan's Dragon Lady. Her version of the 68 Dart, supplied by Dodge. Let's see if I can get this thing to turn on. Get you a good look spinning around there. Oh, sorry about moving the camera around. I'm in a place where as you can see, it's pretty bright and sunny out here. And this thing turned out pretty good. I used the decals from Slicks, and I tried to get it as close as possible to her car as I could with some of the stickers from one of the races. There's a lot of various pictures of it in different formats with the decals. Some of the decals in one place or another, they move around sometimes. The colors is House of Colors blue and bright white. It was 3601, I think, for the blue. It's a beautiful blue pearl. And yes, I am quite pleased with this. As you can see, I added the driver's window about halfway open in that's that way in one of the pictures. Added door glass to the other side as well. You see the tack on the dashboard. That's where she liked hers. Now for this kit, the Hemi engine came with a 4-speed, but because Shirley was a woman, Dodge said, no, you can't drive a stick shift. You've got to drive an automatic. Even though she had won in all of her previous years using a stick shift. What can you say? It was the 60s. Alright, we're going to stop this for just a second here. Put this on pause. Let's see, are we still centered? Okay. Take off the hood so it doesn't go flying away when I open it up. On the underside, I detailed it a little bit as a car that would be running on the track. Some exhaust stains coming from the headers over here. A little bit of track grime and stuff that gets underneath all of them, but not like a lot of dirt and rust or anything like that. But I cut off the transmission off the 426 and put the automatic that came with the kit that was on the 440. I put that onto the Hemi and spliced it in pretty good. The saw almost made the drive shaft just a little too short. Shirley had a couple variations of her engine. Sometimes the gas lines were rubber, sometimes they were metal. Sometimes she used gray spark plugs, sometimes blue, sometimes black. The battery was relocated to the back of the car. She did like the cross ram intake most of the time, although there are some pictures of her using the injection stacks We added brake lines to it, and fuel lines, the coil, all that beautiful good stuff in there. Very light weathering because she liked to keep it clean. It was a race car. She was paid to do this. And in the other pictures you've seen that I had a metal plate under here like she did. And I took it off because I want it to fit just a little bit better. I'm going to make, I think this is my 5th one that I make. It's hard to get it so that everything lays down and still keeps the hood just the way it is. There she is, guys. I'm pretty pleased with this one. I wanted to make this a short video because I know you guys got lots and lots of other videos to watch. So thank you for sticking around and watching my video, and we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.